No, I don't want to say a name.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm fucking you in my head. I'm just kidding. That's creepy.
Ew. Video.
That's good deleting.
Yeah.
No, but she texted me. She was like, "Yeah, me and Brittany are at the movies or something," and what's his name again? Sean's here talking shit about you, saying how you ruined his life.
When was this?
Like a year or two ago. I remember it perfectly because that's when I started hating him. Bobby, stop! Stop!
Wow, Mikey looks like a bag.
What are you doing? I'm fucking cool.
Very nice.
You have grass in your hair.
I'm wearing a hat.
I'm wearing.
I never knew you had X-ray vision.
Word up to your mother. No, I really don't remember that though.